Welcome, riders. On this trip, we'll travel to a wonderful place in Mexico. Ready for adventure. We'll sleep in a great place and have a delicious dinner. Of course, with a nice cold beer, just as it should be. We start shooting on this day. I think the weather will be great today. I'm going to rev this engine a little. It makes a sound like no other. Harley Davidsons with Evolution engines and carburetors have a sound like no other. It was a little warm, so I stopped for a moment to have a beer and a snack. Watching nature and putting away the beer can rock and roll. The sensation of the air on the body that the motorcycle transmits is one of freedom and tranquility. Incredible road and majestic mountains. This is a big rock. Let's go deeper into nature. This forest is amazing. The dirt road is a little tricky on this Harley. But I like adventure. This place is very relaxing. I'll set up camp to cook, have a drink, and rest. I bought this table on Amazon. If you want the link, I'll leave it in the description. I'll light a fire to warm myself, as it's starting to get dark and the weather is cooler due to the altitude. The sound of the fire is comfortable. I love the sounds of nature, but the sound of this beast even more. I will let my motorcycle rest for this day. My precious. Today's dinner is wild chicken, potatoes with tomato, onion, and Mexican chili. You should always take a good knife to camp. Big fire on a big night. I'll leave it directly on the fire. It's very important to keep your distance so it doesn't burn. This slow-cooked chicken is very rich in flavor. Health! The Shinerbach. This beer is one of my favorites. I think it's from South Texas. That sounds so good. This chicken looks and smells delicious. It must taste delicious. A basic camping kitchen kit is essential. This one is a good example and at a good price. We will make the accompaniment: potatoes with a little pork fat, chilies, and small tomatoes. It's roasted. I'll put some beer in the potatoes to give it more flavor. Supper time! Comment if you like the video, what you thought of this food and this place. More updates coming soon. I'll be uploading older videos with voiceovers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.